What's up guys, 818 Retrofits here. Today we're showcasing a set of headlights from a Nissan R34 GTR. This customer imported this vehicle from Japan and we needed to restore the headlights for him. So we went and sanded down the headlights and hit everything with the Spray Max 2K clear coat to restore the headlight lenses as best as we could. There's still a little bit of crazing, but there's nothing we could do about that, and there's no replacement lenses for these headlights. And being right-hand drive factory xenon, we went ahead and converted it to a left-hand drive using one of our newest products, our H7 mini LED projector. We just removed the factory glare shield, and as you can see, it's right there. It's a tiny little LED projector, and essentially it's not going to change the look of the headlights, but it is going to give that left-hand drive cutoff so that the customer can drive at night. Now this is the best option, as these headlights were mutilated from the previous owner. Somebody stuck some cheap LED bulbs in there, was doing absolutely nothing. So this is the next best upgrade for this GTR. So yeah, if you have a set of headlights just like this and you want to convert it from right-hand drive to left-hand drive, go ahead and shoot us an email, sales@818retrofits.com. Give us a call, 818-446-9427, or find us on social media under 818 Retrofits. Thanks guys.